Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 7 of English A to Z vocabulary series. Today's video is dedicated to letter G of English alphabet. But before getting into that, let's get straight to the word which I left for you in the previous video. And the word was facet. What does it mean? Let's understand it together. It means different side or face of something. You can also say aspects, features of something. हिंदी में हम कह सकते हैं पक्ष या फिर पहलू या किसी चीज के आयाम. हम कहते हैं ना, this is a multifaceted approach. So that's what facet means. Let's understand it with the help of a sentence. Honesty is one facet of good character. I hope now it's clear. So now we can move to the G letter words. Let's begin. The very first G letter word for the day is gubernatorial. It is an adjective. It is used to describe anything related to governor or the office of governor and its functions. इसे हम समझ सकते हैं राज्यपाल के पद या उस कार्य से संबंधित गतिविधियों के लिए gubernatorial वर्ड का प्रयोग करते हैं. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. The candidates are preparing for the upcoming gubernatorial elections in the state. I hope now it's clear. This brings me to the second word for the day, and that is gimmick. A gimmick is a trick which is intended to attract attention. It's an idea for attracting customers or you can say persuading people to buy something. इसका मतलब ये है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा ग्राहकों को किसी भी ट्रिक के जरिए उन्हें आकर्षित करना, प्रेरित करना. अक्सर सुनते हैं it's a marketing gimmick. The proposal to cut taxes was just an election gimmick to win votes. This brings me to the third word for the day, and that is gregarious. It literally means living in herd. Large groups. It is commonly used for someone who loves being around people. कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसे लोगों से मिलना जुलना पसंद हो और वो बहुत मिलनसार स्वभाव का हो. जैसे हम जिसे sociable कहते हैं, उसी तरह से हम gregarious कहते हैं. Come, let's see a sentence and make it more clear. Leela is a gregarious person who makes friends wherever she goes. Now let's move to the fourth word, and that is gourmet. It refers to high quality food or someone who enjoys food and knows a lot about it. Now that we have understood the meaning of gourmet, we can straight away move to the sentence. He is a gourmet chef, known for his exquisite delicacies. And the last word for the day is garrulous. It means excessive talkative. There's another beautiful word to express the same character, and that is loquacious. Extremely talkative person, especially about very trivial and unimportant things. कोई भी व्यक्ति जो बहुत बातूनी हो और अनावश्यक रूप से बहुत ज्यादा बोलता हो. So let's get to the sentence. Garrulous neighbor kept us entertained with endless stories about his childhood. This brings me to the end of this lesson, and now as a ritual, here's one for you. Ganache. Well, thanks for joining me for the episode 7 of English A to Z vocabulary series. Stay tuned for more upcoming ones.